Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 14 in the How to Build a Builderall Website training series. So in the last video, we purchased our domain name, our website name, from Namecheap, and now we want to create a website and connect it to that website. So on the Builderall homepage, we're going to go to the Cheetah website builder, go ahead and click enter. Okay, and these are my sites currently. As you can see in the previous videos, we were using this animal rescue demo website. So what I want to do is I want to create a new site because I chose a ketogenic website domain name. So let's go ahead and click create new site. And for now, I'm just going to choose a professional template. Okay. And on the side, I want to go to Site Express. And let's see, I think I want like a fitness diet website. So I'm going to go down. About this one. I'm going to preview it. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and click out of that. Let's see. Let's preview the CrossFit site. I do like that too. Let me go ahead and go back and check another one. Okay. I like this one. Go down. Preview. So let's go to the side here on the menu. I'm going to go to Health and Fitness. There we go. And let's go click this one, preview. Now I do like this one right here. So I'm going to use this one just as an example. So I'm going to select this and confirm, save. All right, now we're inside our website. And what I want to do, skip tour. So I'm going to site settings. Now I want to name this Keto Aspire, because that's the domain name I purchased. Okay. All right, go and click Save. And as you can see, the name changed up here. So we are in our Keto Aspire website. And what I want to do is I want to connect a domain. So I'll go down to here to connect domain on the left side all the way down. And we're going to type in our website name. .com. Click Next. Confirm. Okay, now as you can see, the directions pop up, and it says, for your domain to work correctly, you must follow these steps. So we need to go access the platform where your domain was registered, and it gives some examples here, and Namecheap is on the list. So we want to access the settings area and change the NS server, name servers of your domain, and should wait about an hour for the change to complete. And in some cases, it can take 24 to 48 hours. It's not usually the case, but it does, it can happen. Now, the name servers for Builderall, which is where we're going to be hosting our website, are right here. And we simply just copy this information over to our domain registrar. So let's go ahead and go to Namecheap real quick and do that. Go up here. There we go. We need to log in. I'm already logged in. And up here under domains, okay, and go up here to account, actually, and dashboard. And these are the domains I purchased. So right here is the domain, right here. Go ahead and click manage. Scroll down, and under name servers, they should be placed right here. So what we want to do is I've already changed these because I already purchased, but we want to go back to Cheetah. I'm going to copy this, go back to our domain, and we want to paste in here. And to get to here, we want to choose the custom DNS. The Namecheap Basic and the Namecheap Web is for if you're hosting with Namecheap. But since we're hosting with Builderall, we want to choose custom. And then we also want to copy the NS4. Copy that. Domains. And we want to paste that in here. Okay. And after the changes, you're going to see a save button. You're going to click that save button. And then we're going to wait for it to propagate and change within Builderall. So what I've done is I've customized my website homepage just to change it up a little bit from the template. And what I want to do is go to the settings icon, go to website, and as you can see in the top, our website is no longer the Builderall domain, it's our custom Key to Aspire homepage. And it took about 15 minutes for it to propagate, so it wasn't very long. So now what we want to do is we want to go back out of here, go to our home page for our apps, go down to DNS Manager, click Enter, and as you can see, our Key to Aspire website is in our DNS app. It shows up, it's connected to the Cheetah website. The content delivery network is on, status is okay. And this is how you link your domain name to a website and connect it with Builderall. This is a short video. I thank you for watching it, taking the time out of your day. If you're interested in a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I have an affiliate link in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments or would like to request a Builderall training video, you can leave a comment down below in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.